Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuse to check in case airbag light came on your instrument cluster. So checking the fuse is the first thing, and then if the fuse is good, next step is to connect the OBD2 scanner to check for error codes and follow up on those. But like I said, always first check the fuse. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this black cover. To remove the cover, you just want to pull it straight towards yourself, and you will get access to the fuses. So I will zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone, and you will see all the fuses are right here. And the fuse you want to check here, it's fuse number F33, which is this 7.5 amp fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.